Why see live? We are back again. Uyayibona i-title yale video le uthi thini lapha ngithi ithi I'll never be successful. Mhlawumbe iyakuthusa-ke wena ukuthi kanjani-ke manje umjida uthini-ke manje usazaphumelele simsaphosa kangaka sibheke ukuthi abe yinto sasi-investe kangaka. Hhayi qonda ukuthi-ke mina kunezinto ezimbalwa engingathi ngiyazimasterisha or if ngizimasterisha ukuzenza kwezi ikona okungavumelana nesihloko sale video lesi ukuthi I'll never be successful. Njengokuthi nje number one, if ngalanga ngidependela kakhulu ekutheni omunye umuntu uyena ozofika nombono wokuthi yini engcono for mina, ngibe mina lento ngiyenze before aze angazi yena, I'll never be successful. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo even ngisho kuthiwa ngabe ngiyakwazi ngi-achieve lento leyo lowo muntu lo asuke eyisho ukuthi angiyenze noma mhlawumbe i-idea esuke efisa ukuthi ngiyi-execute, yabo. If mina leyo nto leyo akuyona into engathi i-related ne-vision engaba nayo nesizathu sami sokuthi ngithi ngiwumuntu orephayo, ngiyi-artist, ngiyi-creative, if akukho connected nesizathu sami sokuqala esenza ukuthi i-passion yami iphile yokuyenza lento, I'll never consider myself as umuntu o-successful or happy. Ngisho kuthiwa ngabe omunye umuntu uthi i-success uyibona iyini and yonto mina uyibona ngiyiyona leyo nto leyo, ayibona i-success iyona, mina I will never consider myself successful, yabo. So ezinye zezizathu lezi ezenza ngithi I'll never be successful makuthi ngiya ngokuthi omunye umuntu uthini. Enye into enza ngithi mina I'll never be successful, it's because i-success ngokwe-society isivele isibhaliwe isiphentiwe ukuthi if wenza ini kumele umithe siphi isigaba. So mina ngoba mina eyami i-success ibhalwe ngendlela engadefinwa omunye umuntu, I'll never be successful ngokusho komunye umuntu obukayo, and nami I'll never be umuntu othi u-successful kubantu ngoba i-vision yami ne-goal enginayo ingaphezulu ukuthi ngithi sengigcinile-ke manje, sekufika ekugcineni sengi-reach-ile i-goal yami manje. So idinga kona lokho ukuthi ifide out of ukuthi abantu bayitshela ukuthi akwanele, yabo. Ngale ndlela yokuthi sometimes and most of the times I have to deal with ukuthi kumele ngidlule through isimo esingi-wake up umqondo ukuthi manje sekuyisikhathi sokumuvela kwisigaba esilandelayo kule journey or le vision enkulu eyela kwile best version of myself esivele seyiphentiwe, yabo. So sometimes ukuthatha ukuthi ngifile ngazo yabo manje seku-pointless ukuqhubeka ngenze leyo nto engiyenza leso sikhathi kuleso sigaba engiyenza ngaso. For example lento yama-events, ukuhamba kakhulu ama-events, ngibe nama-expectations ukuthi abantu bazowenza kamnandi, kuzoba nswempu, only to find ukuthi kuzo-repeat kuzokwenza the same thing. I'm gonna still complain about the same things all over and over again, and then lento ingibuyisele kwi-drawing board ukuthi kahle kahle ngangikade mina ngiyitshena ukuthi mase kufika la ngicikeka khona ukwenza lento ngoba ngiyazi vele ukuthi ngifuna ukuyenza to which level, to esiphi isigaba, ngifuna ukusetha siphi i-standards. So leso standards ngithi mase ngisethile kuyothathana ukuthi ngimuvele to the next level leading up to the best version of myself, yabo. So kuthatha ukuthi ngizwe leyo feeling leyo ukuthi okay man, I had enough now. I had enough of ukcomplaina ngokuthi obani abangamithi ama-expectations ukubona ukuthi lento methwa mhlawumbe yenziwa ngale ndlela or yenziwa ibile quality ingamove to the next level as a collective yabo. Mase mina ngibuyela kwi-drawing board mase ngiba ne-drawing board yami ngiba nalento yokuthi mina as an individual artist going to the best version of myself ngibona kuyiphi indlela yoku-escape le level engibona ukuthi siyayi-exhausta i-effort enginayo sengidinga more ukuze ngingagcini sengiblame abanye abantu ukuthi they don't meet ama-expectations mina funa ngibuke ukuthi kahle kahle shuthi ngenza ukuthi sengibhorwa ama-challenges ale level engikuyona. I need to move to another level. So if ngizoba no-expect ukuthi abanye abantu bayibone into engiyibonayo or bayifile into engiyifilayo ngokwe-level of experience nokuthi lento engiyenzayo nesengiyenzile ifanele ukumuva kweyiphi level mangahlezi ngibuka kanjalo ukuthi bakhona abantu engizoba meet halfway abazocabanga lonto I will never be successful yabo. So mina kufuneka ngikwazi ukuthi ngikuvumele ukuthi mase sifika isigaba esisho ukuthi exhaustile le level I need to challenge myself even more njengoba manje nje ngenza into njenge-podcasting umuntu okade wabona ngi-introduce uyazi ukuthi sengiyenza manje ngoba naku sengiqala ngiba ready but it's not like i-idea entsha ngiyenza out of ukungazazi ukuthi ngingenzani as uyangicannibal owaziwa ukuthi wenza music umuntu uyazi lento umuntu ongifollowayo uyazi ukuthi into engiyenze khona ngirelease music ngayi-introducer for years. So now mase kuyisikhathi sokuthi angehlise uku-investa kakhulu ekutheni ngiya outside ngiyitshena ukuthi khona into engiyoyibuilda outside ngithatha leyo experience now ngiyibuyisele ekutheni ngibe expert ekutheni ngikhulume izinto engizaziyo ngendlela engibona ukuthi lokho kuzo-impacta yona le industry ngikuyona ukuthi ibe nenye perception yokwenza ekukhulumeni komuntu one-experience ekwenzeni yabo. Because mina mangikhuluma ngezinto ey'phathelene ne-hip hop nokurapha ne-creative arts kuzobe kulula ukuthi mangisho into sensitive ngirefer nge-experience yami mhlawumbe enane-footage eyi-proof yaleyo nto leyo ukuze nomunye umuntu ezokwazi ukubona i-point lami njengento engiyibuka nge-logic yomuntu obuka from a fan point of view, from an artist point of view or from an investor point of view ukuthi yini engenza leyo nto isebenze ngibuka ngeso lomuntu sokwayenza lento yasebenza or ngeso lomuntu wake wayenza kwashoda lento yashoda ukuthi kusebenze ngaleyo ndlela le ngabe ngikwenzela ngayi example yabo. So ngikulula ukwenza umzekelo ngami ngento sengiyenzile. That's why ngithi now I feel like I can be successful. I am successful if ngikwazi ukubona ukuthi ufuna ngitruste ama-instincts nokwazi ukubona ukuthi yonke into engiyiplanayo isikweyiphi level manje ngikweyiphi level ngiphuma kweyiphi level esengikufundile funa ngithathe ngikuyise kweyiphi level. Njengamanje sikwi-level yokuthi we are sharing ulwazi esinalo when we are building ngabusho like we are rebuilding, we are engaging nabantu, we are gonna be on social media more than ukuthi we're trying to be outside convince abantu ukuthi it's gonna be fun out there because out there kunama-challenges amaningi ama-venues esuke sikuwona environment sometimes if uyindawo ekuhlezi kudayisa khona i-alcohol kunabantu abama-regulars abahlezi belapho so labo bantu abakanjalo they don't understand into enisuke niyenza lapho ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi kuhlonishwe ama-rules anamhlanje. So bona bazokwenza into abahlezi beyenza as ama-regular, gcine sekuphazamiseka into nenintsha ethi nizoyenza kuleso space. So izinto ey'kanjalo zingenza ngibone ukuthi I'll never be successful if ngidiphendela ey'ntweni engeke ngize ngibe ne-control yesikhathi, noise, resources, akakhulukazi isikhathi cause isikhathi siyimali. So if ngizoba umuntu ocabanga kanjalo uku-expect ukuthi abantu they gonna feel how I feel because ngiyabadayisela into ngendlela engibadayisela ngayo without ukuthi mina ngibuke i-reality yaleyo nto leyo ukuthi inama-dynamics amaningi engeke ngize ngiwa-control ukutheni ibe lento engiyifunayo. So it's not gonna be successful leyo nto leyo. So wonke ama-projects engiwenzayo they will never be successful if nginalowo mqondo. So I'll never be successful if nguwumuntu osathembele kwabanye abantu osa-expect abanye abantu ukuthi bazobona into engiyibonayo ukuthi i-right, yabo. But I am successful entweni engiyenzayo if ngithemba ukuthi into engiyicabangayo is gonna take me somewhere. As njengoba ngenza nje njengamanje, ukuthembela nje kuma-goals esengivele ngiwasethile dala. I know bazoba khona abantu abazothi abazokhomenta like usephelelwe emculweni, ubhorekile unesikhathi sonke, hamba ufuna amatoho, angeke ngiyibuke le video yakhe lo ufuna ama-views mhlawumbe usemonethayizile. Cause abanye abantu baba nalo nto yokuthi if umuntu efile ngazuthi umsebenzi owenzayo uyakholela akasafuni kwakona, akasafuni ukusaphothela kona loko-ke manje ukuthi lento yenza uyenzela imali, yabo. At the same time mawenza into engakholeli abantu bazothi uchitha isikhathi hamba uzama umsebenzi. So leyo confusion ekanjalo if nginga-entertain I will never be successful. Le video le ibigxile ekutheni ngikhulume ngami kodwa ngithi nawe buka ukuthi yiziphi izinto ozenzayo kulezi zinto engithi mina angeke ngize ngizenze, angeke ngiqhubeke ngizenze if ngumuntu ofunayo ukuba successful. YC Live ngizonibamba kwivideo elandelayo. We're gonna be here. Press subscribe, press like, ucomment lapho. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi ivideo i-reach abantu abaningi, bayisuggest abantu abaningi nabangasubscribile kodwa iqhamuke kwi-algorithm ngoba bazobona ukuthi abantu ba-engage kule video, ba-interested. YC Live, I'm out.